Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read 6th class SST History chapter What, Where, How and When. But before we start the lesson, we will read about history. What is history? History is the record of the events which occurred in the past. The term had been derived from the Greek word historia, meaning inquiry or knowledge acquired by investigation. History tells us what, where, how, and when about the lives of people who lived before us and help us understand the present better. India gets its name from the word Indus, the name a river that flows through India, which is also called Sindhu in Sanskrit. There are many other names by which India was known: Aryavarta, Bharatvarsha, and Jambudvipa, etc. Sources of history. In order to reconstruct history, historians have to investigate and find the hidden clues or evidence left behind by the people from the past. There are several sources from which historians gather this information. They can be grouped into two main categories: archaeological sources and literary sources. Archaeological sources: the scientific study of ancient buildings and monuments, works of art, coins, pottery, and pots from the past is called archaeology. Let's read about some archaeological sources and how they used in the study of the past. First, we read about monuments. Monuments are old buildings, temples, tombs, forts. They reveal the architectural styles, religious beliefs, and lifestyles of people living in a particular era. Inscription. Inscriptions are the writing on hard surfaces such as rocks, pillars, temples, walls, and metal plates. The study of inscription is called epigraphy. Inscription provided valuable information about the rulers and their views as well as the date and extent of the empires. Pottery and ornaments. Excavated pottery, including pots, pans, and vessels, reveals the eating habits of people in the past. As well as by studying excavated ornaments, archaeologists come to know about the knowledge of people about metals. Now we read about literary sources. What are literary sources? Literary sources, all written records of the past are considered as literary sources. Literary sources comprise all kinds of handwritten texts known as manuscripts. Manuscripts comes from the Latin word manu, meaning hand. In olden times, palm leaves or bark of the bird trees were used to write manuscripts. Literary sources are further classified into two main kinds: religious sources and secular sources. Religious sources. Holy texts or scriptures comprise religious literature. In India, we have scriptures belonging to different religions. These scriptures are a good source of information to know about the prevalent social conditions, status of women, religious beliefs, and practices of the people. Ramayana and Mahabharata help historians understand the religious beliefs and traditions prevailing at time they were written. Secular sources. Secular or historical literature includes biographies, autobiographies, poems, drama, chronicles, written accounts of travelers, and books written on a variety of themes. Students, I hope you have understood this chapter well. Thank you.